Yo. Yo, what's up, lads? What's up? What's up? Hello, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Shriram, my man, why not the VPN connection? What's up? Why not create a virtual box and start doing the hacking? And that's actually like the preferred way too, honestly. Do you know how to set up like a virtual box, or do you want me to do? There isn't a virtual machine connection. Okay, let's see. If you can do it through virtual like the virtual machine, then there has to be a virtual machine connection though, as far as I know. Like let's see, let's start today's phishing Merry Christmas room, right? I'm actually very excited about this system, and I got my tea today, so my throat doesn't hurt that much. Took some medicine, so hopefully it's good today. This tea is just basically herbal tea, so no sugar, nothing. I'm trying to reduce my sugar to reduce this big guy. Okay. So, are you ready? I'm waiting for like other guys too. Where's the gang? Where's my gang? Also, like Shriram, quick question. And actually, quick thing. I got a lead code, like the premium subscription, right? And I was thinking, what would be some like topics you guys, you are junior. What in terms of problems you face, type of problems you think are like hardest to cover, or like confusing, most confusing to do? Yeah, ping wrench, rover, ping all of them. Oh, oh, 10 lead code points, nice. Yeah, so what I mean by this, right? Because when I go on explore, right, I have system design, which I'm very excited about. Okay, related to math. So, like, what about data structures, dynamic programming, recursion, all those? Like, for me, dynamic programming is one of those things I need to practice more um, to like cover, right, reach that level. And heaps and graphs again are also including recursion. All those are interesting. Okay, let's start with like dynamic programming because I want to like um look more into these topics. And I was thinking, like, just get into this rhythm more. Yesterday I was working till 2 in the morning. I didn't have time to like do lead code yesterday, so today hopefully nothing goes down. Then we have system designs and stuff, which I have to buy more subscription. This is like the lifetime, I believe. Purchase beyond to help everyone increase the skill. And this one is important because system design is what makes you a better programmer, in my opinion. And one of the most fundamental things you need to learn as a programmer, because there is a difference between making an app and there is a difference between making an app ready to scale for a billion users. Because and it's always has to be with the mindset of a billion users. So we'll do that later, but today we are here for day 2 of Advent of Cyber Phishing Merry Clickmas. And let's do a quick overview. Oh, we need that. You need to start the virtual machine. We can do, and then you can start with the VPN directly to the virtual machine via RDP. You can still go through the VPN, I believe. Are you ready to start the system? Oh, it starts with the attack box. Never mind. Okay. So I'll start it on the side. The attack box is started on the side and connected via attack box and the machine IP. So I think if you are connected to using the VPN, you can still connect to this IP, if I'm not wrong. Okay, and you guys are ready? Where's my gang? Where's my gang? Shriram, you are ready? You ready for day 2 phishing? Merry Christmas. It's a 30-minute room, so probably will take us around the same time or maybe a little bit more. Objective is related to phishing exercise for TBS. Let's go. I love that. Love the energy. Okay. Phishing Merry Clickmas Day 2 Advent of Cyber 2025. Learn how to use social engineer toolkit to send phishing emails. Learn to send phishing emails. So this is again a red box for us or a red team exercise. Introduction, the story for day 2. In the light of several recent cybersecurity threats against the best festival company, TBFC, the local red team has scheduled several penetration tests. The red teamers proceeded to carry out a regular penetration test against their TBFC. Part of this exercise is to ensure the employees are diligent when clicking links and that the company is well protected against the latest phishing attacks. This type of authorized phishing is a proven way to learn whether the cybersecurity awareness training has fruited. In this task, let me increase maybe better. Yeah, okay. In this task, you will be part of the TBFC. Rover, a very good morning to you, boss. In this task, you will be part of the TB. Oh, the notification. Yeah, I have no idea with Discord how things are working, man. I'll try to see. I just don't get time with so much, so busy. Going back, right? Locking in. In this task, you will be the part of. You will be part of the TBFC local red team with the Elves Recon Macred, Exploit Macred, and Pivot Macred. So we have Recon, Exploit, and Pivot. All three guys. You will help them plan and execute their phishing campaign. It is time to see if more cybersecurity awareness training is required. Discord, cause Discord tries to do dynamically based on devices. Oh, I can't fix it. Okay, good to know. Thank you, boss. So, going back, learning objectives. Understand what social engineering is. Learn the types of phishings. Explore how red teams create fake login pages. Use the social engineer toolkit to send a phishing email. Connect to the machine. Before moving forward, review the questions in the connection card shown below. So there is the attack box we have opened already. And we have also, I want to check if we can do it with virtual machine, but that would take time. We can check after this. Okay, start your target virtual machine by clicking the start machine button below. This machine will need about 2 minutes to fully boot. Additionally, start your attack box by clicking the start attack box button below. The attack box will start in split screen. In this case, you can not see it. Click if in case you cannot see it, click the show split view button on the top of the page. Here let's show split, and we have already started our machine. So yeah, set up your virtual environment. You can set that up, right? To connect successfully, you just need to do that. Okay, and we started our machine. My machine won't start. Wonder if it is demand problem with the new room opening. Really? It shouldn't happen. The system should do it. It can be slow for sure, because I know the system is not the best with these cases, but should open. So which machine is it? Like this one, the IP attack target machine? That's the one with the issue? You guys can connect to mine, right? If you start the attack box, you can connect to mine and do like whatever you want, like do the same exercises, right? Okay, this keeps on like going up, but in 12 seconds you can see the IP and you can try mine, right? There is no harm in that. Just don't change the passwords or don't shut it down. Okay, social engineering. Social engineering refers to manipulating a user to make a mistake. Examples of such mistakes include sharing a password, opening a malicious file, and approving a payment. The term social means the target of such an attack is human beings, not computer systems. Consequently, the attacker relies on psychological tricks to get the target user to cooperate. Some psychological factors that can play a role or key role in the success of such attacks are urgency, curiosity, and authority. So, urgency in the sense, hey, click right now on this. I need this project to be done. I want you to do a quick check of this file which I sent, right? Urgency. Curiosity, okay, I send you a file. Can you have a look? Oh, what's in that inside this zip folder or whatever? Authority, let's say you get an email, a fake email from your CEO saying, hey, I need your help. Can you please get on this specific thing, or from your manager? So, authority. You won't think twice. This is why some would refer to social engineering as human hacking. So, we got our three lads here, one without beard or shave, one with the beard, one with the mustache. Lovely. Phishing. Phishing is a subset of social engineering in which the communication medium is mostly messages. At one point, the most common phishing attacks happened via email. However, the spread of smartphones along with ubiquitous internet access has spread phishing to short text messages, voice calling, so through SMS, that's smishing, voice calls, that's wishing, QR codes, quishing, right? I actually saw a really beautiful, good image of QR code quishing. I'll send you guys that. And social media direct messages. The attacker's purpose is to make the target user click, open, and rely or reply to a message so that the attacker can steal information, money, or access. Unfortunately, phishing attacks are becoming harder to stop. When even carefully, people might fall target to such attacks if they don't exercise proper care. And if you ever fall, like this is one thing I would like to tell you, if you even ever fall like target of a phishing attack, sometimes the attackers are just way too smart, and sometimes situations are hard. So don't like be stressed about it, because even the people with 30 plus experience, almost more than my age, have made this phishing attack, who are in cybersecurity 30 years of experience. I know the names. Okay. So TBFC cybersecurity awareness training teaches users about two anti-phishing mnemonics written as STOP, STOP. The first stop is for all things secured, which tells users to ask following questions before acting on an email. Is it suspicious? Telling me to click something, offering me an amazing deal, phishing me to do something now. Defeat email phishing, all things secured. That's another email. I don't know about them. The second stop reminds users to follow the following instructions. Slow down. Scammers run on your adrenaline. Tracks, what's up? The same goes for me. Even when my attack boss isn't getting started, simply throwing another. Really? Are you guys premium users by any chance? That's interesting. You guys can use like basically mine, right? Like you guys can use your VPN and try to connect to my this box and just try to do it along with me. Try to address yourself. Don't use the messages link. Open nothing unexpected. Verify first. Prove the sender. Check the real form address number, not just the display name. After hours of periodic cybersecurity training, the red team checks to see if the TBFC staff can dodge fishy emails. Building the trap. You must sound very convincing as a penetration tester for a successful phishing attack. It's not only how to write the phishing email or messages, but also how to set up the trap for the target. The target or the trap can be anything depending on your objectives and the research you conduct on the target. So, some of the phishing attacks can be either general, just sent to the whole company, right? And hope that somebody clicks on it. Even one clicks will do the job. Excuse me. Or just target one or two specific people. Let's say if a project is coming in or a new investor is coming in, you target one or two specific people in the company because they know about this is happening and they will click on that link without thinking much. Sometimes attackers aim to compromise the target's machine and they achieve this by attaching a malicious file to their phishing email. Attackers sometimes craft a web page that mimics a legitimate login page to steal targets' credentials. So, like create a Amazon login page, right, or something very similar to it. Facebook one is a very common too. In this task, we aim to acquire target users login credentials. Our trap would be a fake TBFC portal login page, which we attach to the phishing email and send to the target. But a login page itself is not enough. We need to host it and implement some logic to capture the credentials entered by the target. To facilitate your task, we have already set up a script that, when run, will host a fake login page. So we already have the system that will create a fake login page for this company. The phony login page we created will capture all the credentials entered into the page. The script is placed at this. So when we go into the machine here, I'll close this guy. This might come up as pretty big because my other tab is a little bit extra zoomed in. So if we go CD, I think it's rooms. Rooms, right? Is there AOC 2025? So CD rooms AOC 2025. Wait, not AOC 2025. Oh, small o. So now we see we have day 2 here. If I go like this. So we have day 2 now. Let's see what's inside day 2. Index.html and server.py file. So two files. When we run server.py file, is the script, right? A Python script. The above message indicates that the phishing web application is listening on port 8000. So this one, starting the server at port 8000. Moreover, the 0.0.0.0 implies that it inbounds all the interfaces. So to confirm what the user will see, use Firefox on the attack box and browse to this specific link. This is the IP of this machine, right? My IP machine, which is hosting the website. So I'll just start with that. So it's listening. Now I can go on the attack box, Firefox here. Okay, come on, load for me, bro. Okay, it's loading. Either of these addresses will show you the user what the user will see. With this set, it is time to email this link to test our user's vigilance. Okay, we have this guy here. Okay. So if we go to, let's say, HTTPS, and the link for that is 10.65.118.72 and 8000 port. Let's see what we get. Yeah, uh, just do HTTP, not HTTPS. So we see TBFC staff login, SOCMS operations re-authentication. Please re-authenticate to apply the latest delivery manifest changes. Need help? Contact this. Oh, okay, it's working. Thank you so much, man. So this is the page which anyone, when they click on our phishing link, will see. Delivery via social engineer toolkit set. So social engineering toolkit, right? One second, I'll just drink some water. Okay. As our phishing page is ready, we can now prepare and send the phishing email to our target users. Sending it from our personal email is the worst idea. Ideally, the email should appear to be coming from a legitimate looking sender. For example, we can pretend to be somebody the user trusts or expects to get an email from them. So basically, let's say if you are working on a project, you would expect your manager or one of your colleagues to send an email, but not from, let's say, somebody third party like some Amazon customer service about that email, right? So somebody you expect, because when you are expecting something, you won't think much. The more a phishing email appears realistic, the more likely it is for the target user to believe it and get phished. The question is, how can we send a realistic looking email that contains our fake login page? Our solution is to use Social Engineer Toolkit, aka SET. So this is by Trusted Sec. Okay, this guy, I like it. Start this. So I'll just send this link for everyone to see. Okay. So in this, the Social Engineering Toolkit repository by Trusted Sec, all new versions of SET will be deployed here. So you can have it on Linux or Mac OS. You need Python 3. Pretty simple installation. And when we have a user guide here. Oh wow. Java applet attack vector, credential harvesting, web jacking, SMS spoofing. Oh wow, that's a really, actually that's very good too. Like documentation. Damn. Okay, interesting. So we have this solution of open source one, right? It is an open source tool primarily designed by David Kennedy for social engineering attacks. It offers a wide range of features. In particular, it lets you compose and send a phishing email. In the current scenario, we will use this tool to create and send a phishing email to the target user. Let's start creating the phishing email through the set tool. Before you use this tool, please remember that it will involve multiple steps, each asking different questions about the phishing email you intend to send. So this will give you a lot of various options, and there will be multiple steps to help craft your email, which is nice. I think the more customization as a hacker you have, the better chances of conducting a better attack. So please be patient and follow along the process. So we are going to use this. To start the tool, type set tool or se set or and with less t or whatever into the terminal, and it will present you with a menu containing multiple options. At the bottom, you will see set. Okay, let's do that. Let's have our terminal here. So there is, like you guys can see, there has been stuff, bad requests and all those interestingly are already there. And now we have so we have set toolkit, and you can see, right, the set toolkit started. Okay. Oh, this is I think what's that? Woodpecker. Nice. Toolkit codename Maverick. Oh, love that. So select from menu, and we have set. We have one social engineering attacks, penetration testing, third party update, social, blah blah blah. Okay. Where you can put your described option number. For our case, we will select option 1, that is social engineering attacks. If you choose the wrong option at any stage, the option 99 will take you back to the main menu where you can start again. However, if you commit any mistake while writing the phishing email, you could just press Ctrl plus C to return to the main menu again. The social engineering attackers covers various attacks from spear phishing and mass mailer attacks to wireless access point attacks. That's actually nice. Like, we can just go to a coffee shop to test it. Okay, so we are going to select social engineering attacks. Choosing one will display another menu. So we'll go set as 1 and then put here. Now we have spear phishing, website attacks, infection media, create a payload and listener, mass mailer, Arduino based, wireless access, QR code generator, PowerShell, and third party modules. Okay, we want to use our attack. In this case, we will pick mass mailer attack by typing 5. So our 5 option, okay, let's see what we get here then. So guys, I'm on like 2-3 hours of sleep today. Social engineer toolkit mass emailer. There are two options on mass emailer. The first would be to send an email to one individual person. Second option is to allow you to import a list and send it to as many people as you want. So if you have a list from, let's say, hunter.io of a bunch of people in a particular company, you can get that, which is nice, really handy. Now we would be asked to select between two options. One option allows us to send phishing email to a single address, while other option enables us to send an email to many people. Here we would select option 1, email attack single address. Okay. So we are going to just send to one email specifically. Now we will have several questions to answer and various fields to fill out. The first set of questions concerns the email addresses and how the email will be routed and delivered. After each input provided, you can press enter to go to the next question. So first is send email. So let's first go to single email, select here, send email to. So we have factory wherewell.thm. Now question is, use Gmail account for your email attack or use your own server or open relay. How do you want to deliver it, right? What will be the medium? Use your own server or open relay, right? So we'll go with second. For from address, we know that the guys at the toy factory communication regularly with flying deer. So sorry, toy factory communicate regularly with the flying deer, the shipping company. So we will use updates at flying dear.thm as the source email address. So we are not even giving a true email. We are what's this called, spoofing a email, right? What will be the sender's email? From name, let's use the name Flying Deer. Okay. So from the name, the user will use Flying Deer. Okay. Username for any for open relay, we will leave this blank and just hit enter. Same with the password. SMTP email address, we will deliver directly to TBFC mail server by entering this address. This I believe is for the, oh yeah, here we have, that's actually neat, IP address of the machine itself. Okay. Oh, wrong. No username for relay, no password, email address, this port number for SMTP server 25. Flag this message as high priority, probably not, maybe. Next set of questions will ask if you want to send it as a high priority or attach a file. So no for high priority. Do you want to attach a file? Excuse me. Do you want to attach a file? No. Do you want to attach an inline file? Again, let's answer as no. Finally, we pick up an email subject and enter the message content in plain text or HTML. So you can have bold and all those things. So we will have no, and now we have email subject. We need to think of something convincing. For example, shipping schedule changes. We are going to, for this case, we are just using what TryHackMe has for us. Send the message as HTML or plain. For us, I believe plain will be good, or we will be using the default choice of plain text, and then we enter the body of the message and type end in capitals when finished. Create and type any convincing message. Make sure to include the URL, this one, to click if the target user falls for this. Okay. I think there must be an option at the bottom here. Okay. I'm just going to use this, dear else, right? So first let's go with the other option. Send the email plain. So P. Enter and exit by this. So dear else. Next line for us is this. I need your credentials. Oh, I thought you were talking to me. That's actually cool. Okay, I like that. Let's take that. That's much better. Okay, END here as the next line. Okay. Now the phishing email has been sent to the target. Oh, wait, it sent? Set finish. Press enter to continue. Finish sending the emails. Okay, it's finished sending the email. That's actually cool. That's actually really cool. Can I send to myself? Should I try that? Should I try that? Maybe it won't work with this. What's this called? I want to actually try. Should we give it a try? Quick one. Spear phishing attack vectors website. So fifth, 1 and 2. Sadly, you have to put an end after you have pressed. Yes. You're right, boss. Send email to, let's say I have a fake censored hacker at gmail.com. This is legit a email ID I have. No, just use 2. From address TryHackMe at example.com. Then first name test by ch. No, nothing. SMTP email server. So we are going to just use this one. I would be very happy if I get an email from him or from them or me itself, actually. Holy, that's interesting. What's the address? Oh, we just give this. 25, yes. No, not high priority. N email subject test. Hello, or plain actually. Sorry, I jumped the gun there. Okay, test and end. Okay, it was sent, so we'll see in a bit. But let's go back to what our hacking requires us. Saffron strategist. You are crazy, Rover. First one, I got it. Okay, nice. That I love this. So many new people. Welcome to the family, lads. Wrench is here. Let's go. Okay. Now the phishing email has been sent to the target. Press return to continue. It's just the enter button to restart the tool. Open the terminal where server.py script is running to see if the user gets trapped and enters the credentials. So let's see. Did the user entered anything yet? No. Maybe. Baby, I've been sorry. I just have counting cards, counting stars going in my head right now. Nothing came in this one. I was hoping we will have something. Okay, I think maybe because the server I entered was wrong. Okay, maybe let's do 5 1 send email to whatever is this was updates dear shipping dot thm paste Gmail or my own. I think it was my own, and instead of I think I gave the HTTP, it just should have given the IP address. From name from server, I can get any name, right? Oh, from address. Oh, my bad. 99, I think. End. Oh, how do you exit? I thought you typed 99, right? Control C. Okay, that works, I guess. So, sorry, going back, mass mailer, single address, send to. Paste my own. Yes. To send to factory.wearwill.thm. I am such a idiot. I'm so sorry, lads. I'm being an idiot today. Um, 5 1 2. Now we have updates. .thm. Name will be dear shipping. Do we have a username for this? No. Open relay, no. SMTP email address or the IP basically. Copy. Port number would be 25. Yes. High priority, no. Attach a file, no. This, no. Email subject quickly would be shipping schedule changes. How many of you are able to follow along with me? You guys are probably ahead, right? Little bit ahead. Oh. Copy. Plain text. And okay, now we're good. It's sending everything now. Note, you have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes to observe the terminal for any credentials entered. Good job. Okay, hopefully this time I will have everything. To the TBFC Red Team's surprise, they received at least one set of working credentials. This result is alarming. It means that an adversary could succeed in a similar attack if it is not already been done. Considering the required credentials, is if an adversary gains such access, they can easily wreck the whole gift delivery system. It is vital to check if an attacker or if an attack has been taken place and act accordingly. Okay, you are only YouTube in my search who is teaching this step by step. Oh, thank you so much, man. Unranked. Thank you, man. Thank you. Connected to the VPN, but since they didn't give credentials today, can't access the attack machine. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that's rough. Dude, I wish I could just give you my stuff. That would have been the best. Unranked Wisdom Anthem. Ooh, what's this? Wisdom Anthem. The term appears to be unique phrase, likely originating from specific context, perhaps. Oh, Wisdom Anthem, the game. The song. Okay, we'll play this. Well, I think but to do that, right? We still need what's this called? To connect to the machine. Yeah, he still needs those access, right? That's the issue. That is the issue. Earlier it was easy. I could just send you the this stuff. What is the password entered? So we have to wait a bit. When mine did work. Okay, I see. I see. It's interesting why like they're such a good company. Like why they're not good with their server system and like giving these access. I just don't understand that part. US servers, Virginia is very busy. Oh, okay. Yeah, change the servers. Mumbai server is better. Yeah, that's actually a good call. Servers might be busy. They should still have scalability at least, I will say. Right? Or am I wrong? Dude, enter the password. I'm waiting. It's a wait game right now. I'm happy my throat is back though. Or it would be really bad. Oh, lads, one big announcement I have to make right before I forget. And I want everybody to say a big thanks to Rover. He said he will be doing a TryHackMe subscription giveaway. So please go on the Discord and have a look and join. And this is the Discord link, right? So a big thanks to Rover for this, right? For sponsoring this. What a guy. So if you go on where's the giveaway? Giveaway, you can just click on this button, right? One click and you entered, and this will end within a month. And this he is saying he's keep on continuing, and even I will jump in, right? The guy with a big heart and a big wallet, man. Both things. Pretty big. So thank you so much, Rover, and please join, right? And please like, share, subscribe. Another announcement is, I don't know if you guys have seen this, but if we reach 750 subscribers, based on yesterday, I feel like in a couple of 2 weeks we might do it. But if we once we reach 750 subscribers, Yeah, I did. PT1 certificate. Yes, I did. Yeah, 2026 channel 2 and resources. Nice. 2026 channel. Yes, I will tell about that. Till we are waiting, right? One is 20, if we reach 750 subscribers, I will come live and I will jump in snow wearing just t-shirt, shorts and sandals before 31st. That's before 31st of December if that happens. And another channel I created, a 6 months channel, 2026 planner, in which you can post what you want to do in 2026. This will be logged on 31st of December, and we will touch base. We'll go for accountability check after 6 months. 2026 is going to be so big, man. 2025 was so big for me. I can't tell you, but like 2026, I'm very excited about it. Imagine so many things together every day. If we are learning for 365 days, every week we are spending like 5 to 6 hours minimum, up to like 15, 20. It's going to be crazy, man. It's going to be so much learning. We'll be so ahead in the game. I'm just so happy. Hey, we got Tyler. What's up, bro? So yeah, lads, 2026 planner giveaway and announcement. Do check all those things. And this person has still not entered his password. What a POS. The mailbox factory user to see the previously. We are actually waiting for just this guy to enter the password. Why it's not working? Yo, you did anybody else got the password? Like it worked for you guys? Or you think I did something wrong? It was sent every like 60 seconds for me. Okay. Yeah, why? I didn't get it. Did I enter the wrong IP or something? No, 65, 170. And should be this IP. I'm the idiot, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So 5 1 email address. Yeah, yeah, like I just jumped the gun. I think I'm excited about touching this. This is the first time I'm sending phishing emails. I'm a kid in the candy shop, man. This hacking stuff is like a kid in the candy shop for me. I'm still like so excited about this. So updates, dear shipping THM, from name dear shipping. I'm still have the same enthusiasm as I'm doing this again for the third or fourth time. Thank you, thank you. Okay, SMTP mail server is. Wait, I copied this time, right? 65. Why it is 65? Wait, hold up. Oh, mail server is 6578. Yes. Yes, I did that. Going to do that. Yes. At one point, you were pulling data from the sample. Yes. 25 is going to be no n. So 25 no n. Email subject test subject. G, now I'm full on. By the way, G, check Discord server what I sent. Okay, sounds good. I'll do that. 1 second, boss. Give me just 1 second. Dear Els visiting this one. So I'll just copy this line with plain text. Hello. This link is I'm entering. And okay. Oh damn, there's so much stuff. Okay, I entered, continue. Yeah, set has finished sending the emails. So hopefully soon we'll get it. My email was sent. No one can top it. Oh, nice. Captured username, admin, password, undragged wisdom, anthem. Oh, okay. Thank you. From this post submit, I got this. Oh, nice. Your email is nothing compared to mine. I see. Thank you so much, man. Unranked wisdom anthem. Okay. Oh, okay. We got this. We got this. Submit. We have username, admin, password, unranked wisdom, and thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Okay. Browse to this URL, basically the URL of our server, right? From within the tag box and try to access the mailbox of factory user to see if the previously harvested admin password has been reused on the email portal. What are the total number of toys expected for delivery? Okay, let's go here. We have admin. Oh, wait, this is my itself. We need to go to HTTP and the IP of this guy. Okay, factory admin and the password. Admin, password. Wait, what? Oh, is it factory? Thank you, bro. Okay, yes. Oh, a bunch of them were sent. This one. So let's see what was wrong with the previous one. There was nothing wrong. 65. Oh, okay, wait. My 118 versus 102 and stuff. Okay. Urgent production. I hope everything is well and caffeinated, blah blah blah. Shipping these many toys, big num. We can send email to your server, you know that. Wait, what? Yeah, I typed that. I think the URL was wrong from my side. You have to put end again. Yeah, it should be in the new line. Wrong thing. Martha, how many toys are there, Martha? 1984 and three zeros. Cause me? Wait, what? Did I said something? Oh, itna units. Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. That's called the subject, mate. That's not a title. That's the subject of the email. You blind, bro. Check mate. Okay. No, that's called the subject. That's not the title of the email. Yes. You know subject. I know subject. Okay, and one more thing, lads. This has been if you remember, right? You asked me to prepare for the job interview one, and I mentioned I want to try applying for jobs first before like creating a stream on it. As I've been applying, right? A thing I noticed is people are not only asking for GitHub links anymore, they are also asking for LinkedIn URLs. So that's a reason I wanted to like keep telling you, just share whatever you are doing on LinkedIn. It's very important at this point, I will say. It's very important to share these things, mention, oh, enjoying this or blah, 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 whatever, right? And just send me it in my DM and I will love to check it out, right? I will give a thumbs up and stuff. Like I'll just do here, just send this. Takes like couple clicks, right? And we are good to go. Come on. Okay, this is not going to work. Discard. Media. I like posting my own ones. I don't like if I'm not getting the image. I don't like it. And just do these hashtags or these mentionings. Advent of cyber 2025 or AOC 2025. Claude is down. Wait. Something again? Bro, this year has been a year of like getting the technology down. So many times things are happening. It's crazy. Let's have a look at it. Some more attacks happening. Oh, something is happening. Nice. As we are streaming, this is happening. I love it. And just do, let's say, hacking. Like just add these common 4-5 ones and just post it. These are important, and I'm going to like myself. I have this habit. I love liking my own stuff. But yeah, just do this. It is helpful in showing on your like getting like attention. And if somebody wants to look at your LinkedIn, they can see, okay, what type of content you share. Because nowadays, yeah, dude, I am like that. I am like that. I'm not even like going to deny this, or I'm like going to be like, oh no, blah blah blah. I just love liking my own stuff, man. Yep. Claude down. Not download. Claude status. Okay. Looks good right now. 30th November. Some things went up and down. Okay, here. Investigation reports are increased latency resolved. The incident has been resolved. We are going. Okay. Where are the tickets stored? Oh, they are put in this area here, I believe. Okay, I'll do that now. One second, I'll just show. I think when you go on your profile there, you can see. Believe that. Certificate skill matrix. No. Somewhere here there is like tickets, if I'm not wrong. There is an option of tickets. I remember. Oh, on the dashboard. Yeah. Okay. Where are my tickets? Oh, there it is. I'm really blind today, actually. Price around 7. Yeah. Okay, let's see what my boy has sent here. Hey, Tyler, what's up, bro? Wait, did you send me in? Dude, no, I'm just like, actually, I'm like, this happens to me. I will fumble my words. I will not be able to see things when I'm not like, I haven't taken proper sleep. I'm on 3 hours of sleep, like, not even like, yeah, in general. Yeah, I know, I know. Okay. Oh, here. Okay, I see. If you are not gay, click on this link. If you are gay, don't you don't you make what you are on. That's actually an easy way. This reminds you of like, have you seen that Peter Griffin click? This reminds me of this one.
There is no just cause for an invasion of Iraq.
Well, that may be. But what we're all forgetting is anyone who doesn't want to go to war is gay.
I want to go to war.
Oh, yes, we should definitely go.
We should totally go.
I was the first one who wanted to go to war.
There is...
This is legit humorous. I had one really good one. QR. Funny me. So this is we were talking about QR phishing or whatever it was, QR related stuff. Here, I think, where is that? Okay, so QR phishing, right? Here's a good example of this. Free Wi-Fi, scan QR code to connect. And when you take your phone to connect, right, to scan this, somebody steals your phone from the other side of the wall. This is phishing, lads. This is simple phishing. The one who doesn't like or subscribe is gay. Yeah, I support that. Yeah, physical phishing. Phishing is phishing. Can be digital, can be physical. Yeah, lads. That's it for today. So I will go get some sleep and some work done. Right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll try to find time at least today. Hopefully there is nothing comes up, and I will be in the evening. I will come online so we can do side quest for people who haven't. Dude, I have work, man. I have so much work. Thank you. Hey, Bhupender. Atta boy. Yeah, lads, and let's just send me, like, whenever you do it, send me, because I will be also looking at things and I will love to, like, helpful. Oh, somebody did. Wasim Timmy. Okay, whatever. Yeah, but yeah, that's all, lads. Hope you guys enjoyed. In the evening today, for sure, I'm coming for lead code, and I'm going to look at topics which are hard. Try to see if we can do like topics like recursion, dynamic programming, see what topics we can do, or maybe take just top 150 interview problems and continue that. We'll see whatever comes, and also hang out in the Discord. You will see me there playing Imagine Dragons and other playlists and doing the side quest today, hopefully. Bro, I want to know if there is plenty of jobs in cybersecurity, or I have to go outside India. In India, there is more jobs. In India, there will be more jobs of cybersecurity than outside, I will say that. A easy thing, as mentioned, right, regarding jobs, and I wanted to see how the system works nowadays before doing a stream on finding a job. One thing is, if you go, there are a lot of recruiting and staffing companies, right, in the country you live in, right? For example, in Canada. So in Canada, you will see this one, right? Robert Half, all these. A bunch of them are also in India, right? So look at their websites. You can see a better view of how many jobs are actually people are looking for, like which companies are looking for which jobs. Have a look. And cybersecurity, I will say there is definitely one, but to get a job in cybersecurity, it's a bit harder than other like developers and stuff. So if you want to get one, do get a certificate. If you want a job, try to get a certificate, because there are very less jobs in cybersecurity for pure beginners without any certificate compared to, let's say, a developer or an analyst. That's like at least what my observation has been in last 1 month. I've been looking into the job market, or last couple weeks, if not a full month yet. So yeah, that's big. From Yeah, try to at least like get a penetration tester one, bro. Wrench, try to get penetration tester one. You have the talent to get that, and you have the experience. Get that at least certificate so you can show everyone. Big one, which is I think how much is CEH? And this is a very popular one. You will see it in there. Or if you have CompTIA Security Plus, which is you can get a discount from TryHackMe. Those are really good ones. Need will get so bad. Yeah, yeah. In future, yes. If you are able to show a portfolio, yes. Right now, a lot of HR, a lot of ATS systems, application tracking systems, do look for certificates specifically. CompTIA is great. CompTIA is great, bro. Yeah, yeah. They try to get any good ones, and also a easy way to see which is a good certificate to get and not. Let's say if you see my profile, if I want to apply for, let's say, cybersecurity, right, entry level jobs in Canada, you go to their description, right, and you will see what is preferred by them, what they're looking for. Have they mentioned any here in this one? Maybe, maybe not. They haven't mentioned any here, right? CPTS is big one, right? Operational technology, cybersecurity. Let's see. They probably will have CEH. Hopefully, good to have something. Damn, none of them are mentioning anything. CEH is mentioned. OSCP is that mentioned? Nope. No. Interesting. Cybersecurity engineer. Nobody is mentioning the certificates. On LinkedIn, there is a bunch. Huh. That's actually interesting. None of them mentioned. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Am I blind or there are none of them are mentioning about any of the certificates? Probably am. Okay, let's look for a bigger company. Coca-Cola bottling. Okay, you have AWS Azure. So if you have, oh, here it is. SOC 2 compliance, right? Uh, they mention all the frameworks. Bachelor's, CISSP, right? These certifications you need to have cybersecurity certification for cloud, CCSP, platform specific ones. So these are there, which based on where you want to go, you will see that, right? Just see the companies which you can apply for as an entry level one. Let's say, if there are there any entry level ones. Okay, let's say security analyst. I don't know if this is a good company or they will have those mentioned, but yeah. So CompTIA Security Plus, you see, right? Yeah. No, I will say I will tell you guys this thing, right? These these things, right? These descriptions are a lot of time made by HR. More, little bit investment is done by the tech leads or the technical people. Majority of the time, it is coming from HR. So they will see, okay, what somebody else has posted, because they don't know how hard. Like if they are putting ISC2 GAIAC Security Essentials Security Plus, right? But then they put CISSP and OSCP in the same zone. Doesn't make sense, right? It's like, oh, you need to. It's okay if you have level 1 certificate or level 10 certificate. We both value equally. Doesn't make sense, right? Yeah, always say that. Yeah. There is a reason why, like because how things work, right? So you need certificates specifically so you can get your foot inside the door. You can get that interview. And after you get the interview, if you are passionate, if you are able to answer their question, then it's a easy term. But really need important to pass that first gatekeeper. Yeah, join the voice chat, right? Join the voice chat in the Discord, right? do the side quest. I know Insomnia was talking to me about this, right? And I can create a channel if you want, just for the AOC. If you want to discuss specifically or talk about side quest and all those things there, let me know. PT1 or Sal1? PT1 we will be doing after AOC. We'll start continuing on our journey for PT1. PT1 is a good at least to have. PT1 and Sal are good to have. You can mention, right? These are beginner ones, but they are really good to have. They build the foundation so you can take CompTIA Security Plus and other ones. Make one for the events. Okay, sounds good. I will do one for events. I'll create one after this. But yeah, let's I have to go now. Good evening. Do you have a day set for the side quest yet? I was thinking on the weekend I will do the side quest, or maybe come today. It just depends on the work, boss. Depends on my work job. But if I don't do it during the week, 100% on the weekend I'm coming and spending 3-4 hours trying to do the side quest. No problem, man. This is what we are here for. We are going to help each other. Yeah. Yeah, no, 100%. I'm not flexing, man. Who flex slavery, man? I am a slave technically. I'm an employee. I'm a corporate slave. Who flexes that? But yeah, join the Discord, and there you can see all the messages. We can discuss when we can do things. Okay. Awesome. And thank you so much, lads. Hope you have a great one. Also, Wrench has done the side quest, so you can ask him questions in the Just Chatting group, right? Just ask him about anything. So hopefully he will have time. Thank you so much. Howdy, Panda. Howdy, howdy, howdy. So thank you so much, lads. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for joining, Panda. Thank you, Wrench, Rover, Shriram, Kamikaze, Saffron Strategist. Where's Trax? Trax was there. Hopefully I'm not missing anyone. Aluminium Proclamation. That's actually a big name. Nice. But yeah, let's hopefully everybody, I will say everybody, thank you so much for joining. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget, there is a giveaway going on. Do join that. Thank you so much. Do like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the evening for some lead code or die series. Thank you. Till then, this has been your favorite sniffer of packets, censored hacker, signing off after another great session with the homies, and a big bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today. Thank you. Love you.